Why is it important for you to understand crowd behavior when it comes to trading? My name is Darrell Lane. I'm the Vagrant Trader Collective's head coach, mentor, and trainer and trader. And today I want to talk to you about the very unique concept of the psychology of crowd dynamic in trading. The power of crowd behavior is really unique when you think about trading because the whole entire market is based up of humans, right? And human beings are very, very unique. We run towards massive crowd ideas. Now, the opposite side to that is the market is actually created to take the money of the crowd. So you and I have to be in a position to overcome crowd mentality and be able to go along with the idea that is more institutional than it is human. And how do we do that? We do that by analyzing the market and asking ourselves a simple question. Is this what everybody else would do? Many times when you go into the market and you see a potential opportunity and you ask yourself, is this what everybody else would do? The best thing to do is the opposite. And if you do the opposite, you'll be more in line with the actual institutions, because the institutional trading mindset is to prompt the response out of the retail trader to take the money so that we can continue with whatever our original institutional strategy and idea is. Now, there's another side to this, is your own cognitive bias. Many times when you get on the chart, there's a specific outcome that you're looking for. Whether it's I'm always looking for a buy or I'm always looking for a sell, every one of us has this kind of cognitive bias that holds us in almost a potential prison if we're not open to understanding that we have a bias. I personally, I'm always looking for buys. So even in a non-buying environment, my brain's always wanting to do a buy. I always want to put in a buy. That's my bias. I have a buy bias. So I have to understand that when I'm in certain markets and I'm looking at certain aspects of the chart, to make sure that although I have a buy bias, I have to be very, very mindful of making sure I understand the exact minute detail that is showing up on the chart so that I can gain access to the visual representation of what I need to see in the market, not what I'm actually feeling I'm seeing in the market, okay? The other side of this is understanding market sentiment. Market sentiment is the idea that there's an overall bias or temperature or idea of where the market is going to be making its decision. By understanding what the sentiment of the market is going to be from a retail trader standpoint, you can better position yourself to take advantage of the different opportunities that are going to exist in the market. So it's important to understand that there's a cognitive bias. It's important to understand that you have your own bias. And it's also important to understand herd mentality. If you can understand these together, you can position yourself to be a better trader. Take care.